In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very quick, easy and delicious okra soup without oil. Yes, this soup is made without oil, and this soup is best for people who are on a low carb diet. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be recommending a channel where you can go and watch videos on how to make a low carb fufu, which you can pair with this delicious okra soup. So for this recipe, you will need your okra, obviously. Here I've got 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 1 white onion, 1 red bell pepper and 2 fresh tomatoes. Here I've got 1 catfish and 1 mackerel, a handful of prawn or shrimp, 2 tablespoons of crayfish and some seasoning cubes. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut my mackerel into my desired sizes. And after cutting the fish, I will take out the intestine. That's that thing you can see in the middle of the fish. Wash it thoroughly and set that aside. Now moving over to the catfish, I just took it out from my freezer and it still has some ice block on it. So I'm going to gently remove the ice blocks and I'll show you what to do next. So now that I'm done removing the blocks, I'm going to pour the blocks away, and then I'm going to pour a very hot water over the fish. This hot water is going to help with the sliminess of the fish, because the fish is very slippery. So the hot water is going to loosen that up and makes the washing process a lot more easier. So I just poured the hot water over the fish and let it sit for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I drained the hot water and then I poured hot water over the fish again and begin to wash it thoroughly with my hands, as you can see here. After washing the fish for the first time, I'm going to pour water over it again and rinse it, then set that aside for when we are going to be using it later. Next, I'm going to cut my peppers, my onion and the fresh tomatoes and add them into the blender. This is just to make the blending process easier. After that, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water into the blender. This is going to help to blend the peppers, and this recipe is not the type I will ask you not to add water. You really have to add water into this. So after blending the peppers, I'm going to pour it into my pot and I'm going to cover the pot, allow it to cook for 10 minutes on a medium heat. So while that is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and wash my okra. Just add the okra into a bowl, add some water and add some salt. Wash it 2 times before cutting the okra. So the first thing you want to do is to check if the okra is soft, because we need soft okra for this. You don't need hard okra. The way I like to do this is I just pick up one okra, break it. If it can easily break, then you know that this one is okay for cooking. But if it is hard for me to break, I will set that aside. So that's basically how to check if your okra is good for cooking, so you don't end up using a hard okra that when you bite into it, it will be very hard for you to chew. So I'm going to cut my okra into my desired sizes. I just like to chop it up anyhow. So after that, I'm going to move over to the pot to see how my pot is doing. Now it's about 10 minutes later, and I'm going to add the fish, stir it around, and add my seasoning cube. For this recipe, I'm going to be using only 1 Knorr cube because I'm making a very small amount of soup. If you are making more quantity of soup, you can add more seasoning cubes and more salt. So now I'm going to add some salt, stir it again. When you are stirring this, make sure you do it gently because you don't want to break the fish. You don't want the fish to scatter in the pot. Now I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes of cooking, I will add my prawn or shrimp. I don't know which one you call it. After adding that, I will add my crayfish, and I'm going to add extra 1 cup of water into the pot. Gently stir it around so that everything can balance well. Now cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, it's time to add our sliced okra. Just gently placing the okra into the pot. And now you are going to gently stir it around. Make sure you are doing this gently. Remember, we don't want to scatter the fish in the pot. After stirring, I'm going to cover it again and allow it to cook for additional 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes of cooking, voila, our soup is as good as ready. At this point, you can add any vegetable of your choice, but for this recipe, I don't want to add any vegetable to it. So now I'm going to dish out my soup, my yummy okra soup. This soup is so good. It tasted so delicious, so refreshing, so nutritious, so healthy. So I paired this with eba or gari. Some people call it gari, some people call it eba. You can pair it with any swallow of your choice. Now about the channel I said I was going to recommend to you, just make sure you check the link in my description box below. It will take you straight to All Nigerian Recipes channel. There you can watch 4 different types of videos on how to make a low carb fufu. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.